Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of TeamViewer in your PC or laptop. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, it's the same process. First of all, you just need to go to any browser here. So I'm using Google Chrome and you need to search in the Google for TeamViewer download. After searching the TeamViewer download, you will find this TeamViewer latest version, which is the teamviewer.com official website here. So you just need to click on this website. And here you will find the Windows version here. So you just need to click on Windows and you need to scroll down. And here you will find the TeamViewer full client, which is everybody uses. And you need to download for 64-bit. So if your PC is 64-bit, you need to download this 64-bit. So you just need to click on the download 64-bit and it will start to download here. But I have already downloaded this, so I'm just going to install this. After finishing the download process, you just need to go to the folder and double click on this exe file and it will say you to run here. So just click on run and then it will show you the installation process here. So I'm just going to choose the default installation and click accept and next. Then you just have to click yes again and it will start to install the TeamViewer setup here. So it will, for default, it will install in your C folder. So installation is going to take some minutes here, so you just have to wait for it. As you can see, my installation process has been finished and the desktop shortcut icon is on my desktop here. The next thing you have to do is just check mark this I accept and then click continue and it will start to open the software here. For the first time, it will just take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, my TeamViewer software is now successfully installed in my PC or laptop. So you just need to sign in. So that's it guys. This is how you can download and install TeamViewer in your laptop or PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.